Hi, I'm Scott, Development Chef for Panasonic, and in this video I'm going to show to you how we can reheat a British classic through the Panasonic SCV2. The dish that we're going to do today is shepherd's pie, topped with sweet potato mash, served with a side of purple sprouting, tender stem broccoli and fèves. For me, producing the dish through the SCV saves so much time during a busy service and allows to open up the room service menu as well. So this is how we're going to build it. Into this ramekin, I'm going to put some of my shepherd's pie mix. All I've done for this mix is I've sweated off some red onion and garlic. I've added my lamb, added some carrots into there as well, and then cooked this out. I've then added a little bit of lamb stock and let this reduce down to give myself a lovely thick sauce. I'm now going to top with the sweet potato mash. I'm going to keep this quite rustic so that when it's inside the oven, it really catches all the edges and really creates that nice deep dark colour that I'm looking for as well. With that now, I'm going to place that onto a black Teflon basket, and that is now ready to go into the SCV2. At the same time, I'm going to get ready as well by putting the tender stem broccoli and the fèves onto a green basket. I'm going to cook the shepherd's pie first and allow this to rest while the broccoli goes through. For the shepherd's pie, I'm going to use the SCV2 on 280 degrees for 1 minute and 40. The settings that I'm running on is microwave at P8. The grill will be on low with the fan speed set at 50%. The broccoli is going to be cooked at 280 degrees for 1 minute and 20 seconds. The setting that I'm going to use is microwave P6. I'm also going to have the grill element on, but have this really gentle. So I'm going to choose the low option and run it at 30% fan speed. With now the shepherd's pie and the broccoli both out the oven, I can now assemble my dish on a board. I'm simply going to place into the corner my shepherd's pie, and then I'm going to have the tender stem, just topped with the fèves, and finally just finish with a nice dollop of that minted butter.